This is Juliet Holt. I'm going to show you tonight how to clean your coffee maker. All you need is a coffee maker and white vinegar and water. Okay, you're going to fill this up about half full with white vinegar. Okay, you're going to pour this in your coffee maker. And you're going to turn it on. Okay, you're going to do this once with the vinegar. And then when it gets through doing the vinegar, then you will rinse it out. Run a full container of water through there 3 times to get the traces of vinegar out of your coffee pot. I've done this before a couple of years ago, so I'm going to do it again. I'll try to run some music till we get this done. And this will make it nice and fresh inside. But you just run the vinegar through there one time in just half a container. I used just about a whole bottle of vinegar, and that's the size I used. I had used a little bit the other day. I think the last time I done it was I didn't use white vinegar. I used the other, and it done just as well. Then when I pour this out, I'm going to pour it in a bowl and then take the vinegar that's gone through there and wipe off my coffee pot. I may shorten this a little bit when I get it downloaded into my program to edit it. I think it's about done. Back at the wait till the buzzer goes off on the coffee pot. There you go. Now I'm going to pour this out. Wait a minute, I was going to pour part of this out so I can clean them. Now I'm going to fill the coffee pot up to full. I've been washing dishes here. And I'm going to pour this in here full. Alright, I'm going to do that 3 times. And that way you clean your coffee pot. If you like my videos, just like and share. And if you'd like to and subscribe, and if you'd like to be notified when I've got another video coming out, just hit that little bell beside subscribe, and thank you so much.